Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're getting the Javelin Anti-Cheat error, EA Anti-Cheat Encountered error, or a security violation error when trying to play Skate, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through how to fix it step by step. Let's get started. Open File Explorer. Click on this PC, then open Local Disk C. Double-click Program Files. Open the EA folder. Inside here, double-click the AC folder. Now open the EA Anti-Cheat installer. When prompted, click Run. Once the installer opens, select Uninstall All. EA Anti-Cheat is now fully uninstalled. Now open your browser. In the search bar, type EA Anti-Cheat Javelin Download. Open the official EA website. Click Install and download the EA Javelin Anti-Cheat installer. Once the setup is downloaded, open the file. In the installer, select the game you're having issues with. In this case, Skate. Click Install. Wait for the installation to finish. After reinstalling, restart your computer to apply the changes. Now launch Skate again, and the EA Javelin Anti-Cheat error should be fixed. And that's it! By reinstalling EA Anti-Cheat, you should be able to get rid of the Javelin error, security violation error, or EA Anti-Cheat Encountered error. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment letting me know if this worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.